Hey, what's up, y'all? Well, we had a pretty good day yesterday. I had a trip with Ralph, and I appreciate you, Ralph, for coming out. He he was getting on quite a few fish. He ended up with I think a few keepers, and then quite a few that were a little bit short. So, but he was tearing them up one after another, right on the oyster edge that I kind of put him on, and I told him about where to cast. But he pretty much put it together when he first hooked up into one, and then he didn't hook up on another one. He was like, man, there's like some kind of science to it that, I only get a bite when I cast right there. And I said, yeah, that's the oyster edge, that we're working. So he figured it out pretty quick, and like I said, he was tearing them up. You got one? All right, man. Yeah, it looks good. Okay. Redfish. There you go. Another red. Yeah, it's a drum. Yeah, it's a keeper. Man, you found a spot, dude. Stay there for a little bit longer. I'm just gonna be right on the other side of you. Get him, man. You're catching them right there, so I would stay there a little longer. Okay. Oh man, that's a pretty nice red. You're getting it on the oyster edge is what you're doing. And when you're not catching them, you're not on that edge. There you go. Yeah. No, you did fine. That was a perfect hook set. You let it go down for a couple seconds. No, you did great. Yeah, man, get it. Yeah, that's going. Oh yeah. That's definitely a slot. Yeah, there you go, man. Yeah, he's probably about 23. We'll measure him just to check him out. He's definitely a keeper, though.
Pull the boat around.
Yeah. That was like 2 fish by the time I even just got over there. Yeah, he's nice, real nice.
Pretty.
It's probably 22 because he's real fat.
Yeah.
They're turning into footballs for winter. 23. He's 23. I'll put him in.
Now, what do you think, sportsman? Let it go? Keep it?
They're good to eat. I mean, yeah, right. You might as well take a few home. So that was yesterday, and then today, Saturday, I took the trip winners. I gave away a trip about a month ago, and Logan had won, and he brought his buddy Landon, and we caught a few fish first thing this morning, but the rest of the day was pretty tough because it's duck season today. It's the opening day, and the hunters were everywhere, so I tried to stay away from them, tried to give them some space and let them do their thing. And, I guess redfish spots and ducks go hand in hand. So, but we ended up doing pretty good today too. So, oh, there you go. Either a really good drum or a decent red. I'm not sure. It's a red. All right. Let's measure him. He's pretty close. I want to see if he makes 20 anyways. He's about 19 and a half. Oh, there we go. Go to your left just a little bit. You want to be able to almost reach that shoreline grass. Drum. Yeah, that'll probably work right there. There you go, man. You got one? Damn, man, we're doubling up. Man, that's a nice drum too. Oh, he's so cute. There we go. He's a little bit small. A little bitty one. Two little drum. Put him in an aquarium somewhere. Ha! It's a flounder. What damn? No, but you can't keep. Yeah, they close the season until December 14th. There you go. A drum. Oh, it's another flounder? Right. That's crazy, dude. Baby flounder. Yeah. I never knew they would hit dead shrimp till the other day. So the pressure has been pretty high for the last couple of days. It's been about 30.2 on average, which is pretty high. So I was just going straight to shrimp in a popping cork, the dead shrimp or frozen shrimp. And I didn't really waste any time with artificial. I just used the shrimp the last couple of days, and the pressure is going to be high for a couple more days. So I probably will just keep throwing shrimp for a couple more days. I still got quite a few days open in November if y'all want to book a trip.
I'm not like everyone.
All my information is in the comment section and the video description. So let me know. We'll get out there and catch some fish.